Hayibo, phela uLindo uyabuza. Uthi uLindo, can someone explain this Joburg weddings? You hear people are married and are living together, wearing rings and stuff. Jiggy jiggy, you see them getting married again. So this with Mpopops and now Kulichana. Nishata kanjani lapho? Sanbonan, Dumela. I hope Ugutsini right. I hope Ugutsini Pilile. First and foremost, I would like to say congratulations to Lamis Holworthy and Kulichana on their beautiful, extravagant wedding celebration. Hi, ke. Bowumuhle umshado. Hayi bowumuhle okwangempela. Kodwa ke abantu abaningi bathi hayibo kanjani labantu kanti bebangashadanga kwenzakalani? Bo sweetheart, thina njengabantu abamnyama akumelanga sibuze loyo mbuzo loyo. Aratsa nna go botsa potso eo ya gore how gantsi ne ba sanyala and stuff. No, guys. No, because that's why caption yami ithini, what comes first, marriage or wedding? Thina njengabantu abamnyama, marriage comes first before the wedding celebration. Ngoba thina we have what is known as a bride price, lobola, magadi, whereby two families they meet. And then from there, they will agree to disagree on the bride price, right? Which is ilobola. Once they reach an agreement, indoda, the day ihamba, iyokhokha, ilobola, sekuphelile, nishadile. Even South African law recognizes that, ukuthi, once nje kwaphuma ilobola, once ifamily yakabuntombo yathola ilobola, yamukela ilobola, yamukela lobola, go fedile. Automatically you guys can now start your marriage. Your marriage life has started. Once ilobola nje is being paid, your marriage life has started. Then bese gena ukuhamba kwesikhathi gena wena nomuntu wakho niya decide ukuthi okay fine, do you want to have a wedding celebration or not? So with or without the wedding celebration, guys, a wedding celebration does not mean that you are not yet married. Once lobola nje yakhishwa ushadile. So wedding celebration is just a celebration. Just nje celebrate ukuthi nishadile, whereby you bring your families, you bring your friends under one roof to come and acknowledge the union that already took place. So that is what I'm saying. With us as abantu abamnyama, marriage comes first before the wedding. That's how it is. Like, here we heard on her, honey. I hope ukuthi ngichazile kahle. But kena guysini, if you've got a different opinion or different view about this, honey, you are more than welcome ukuthi ukhulume nawe uthi ukuthi sisi urongo. Thina into yethu ihamba kanje njengabantu abamnyama, or thina njengabatswana itsamaya so taba ya rona, or rona Basotho re tsamaisa tjena, and then maZulu le bona ba tjhore hayi thina mamasi thina sihambisa kanje ilentuzana umshado. Come on, you are more than welcome guysini. Ntsheleni nina ukuthi okay fine, yini into esiconfuse kangaka.